Before the skyscrapers, before the bright lights of New York City, there was one symbol that welcomed the world. Standing tall in the harbor, she became the face of freedom. The Statue of Liberty was a gift from France to the United States in 1886. It was created to celebrate freedom and the friendship between two nations born from revolution. French sculptor Frédéric-Auguste Bartholdi designed the statue, while the internal iron framework was engineered by Gustave Eiffel, the man behind the Eiffel Tower. The statue is made of thin copper sheets placed over a steel frame. Over time, the copper reacted with air, giving the statue its iconic green color. Her torch represents enlightenment. The 7 rays on her crown symbolize freedom across the 7 continents and seas. The broken chains at her feet represent the end of tyranny. For millions of immigrants arriving in America, the Statue of Liberty was the first sign of hope. It meant safety, opportunity, and a new beginning. Today, the Statue of Liberty is more than a monument. It is a global symbol of human rights, freedom, and democracy. She stands silent, yet her message is loud. Freedom is not given. It is earned, protected, and remembered.